Haunted Objects of Jamaica, Top 10 Eeriest Artifacts and Legends. 6. Haunted Painting at Greenwood Great House, St. James. In addition to the ghostly photo, Greenwood Great House holds another spooky artifact, an antique painting in which an apparition is said to reveal itself. The mansion's walls are adorned with period paintings, including family portraits and artworks from the 18th and 19th centuries. One portrait in particular has gained notoriety for an unexpected feature. According to the tour accounts, a certain painting at Greenwood contains the image of a ghost, an apparition that either appears within the artwork or was somehow captured by the artist unknowingly.
Follow Jamaican True Story.
One recent visitor noted that Greenwood's collection includes a photo and painting with the ghosts of Greenwood, implying that, like the photograph, the painting also has a spectral figure visible. It's possible the ghost in the painting is related to the Barrett family as well. Some speculate it might be the spirit of a woman who died tragically on the estate. When light hits the canvas at certain angles, viewers claim to see a shadowy face or silhouette that isn't part of the painted scene. Guests have reported feeling watched by the figure in the painting, similar to how Annie Palmer's portrait affects viewers. A few have even captured strange things when photographing the painting, such as orbs or a misty shape hovering near it. While the details of who the ghost might be remain a mystery, the phenomenon has prompted some to argue Greenwood Great House deserves a spot among Jamaica's haunted sites. The haunted painting remains at Greenwood Great House near Montego Bay and is shown to visitors. The guides often encourage people to look closely and decide for themselves if the ethereal presence in the painting is real or just a trick of light and imagination.